It is 90 degrees out. You turn on the AC, and all you get is warm air blowing in your face. Before you drive to a shop and hand over $3, $4, even $500, stop. 4 out of 5 times. The real cause is something you can check in your own Dr. Way in the next 10 minutes. Let me show you the FVE fixes. Fix number 1, and the one most people near check, your cabin air filter. It sits behind your glove box, and when it is clogged with leaves and dust, barely any air can push through your vents. A new cabin filter costs about $15 and takes 5 minutes to swap. Start here. Fix number 2 is completely free. Pop your hood and look at the condenser, that thin radiator-like grill at the very front of your car. If it is packed with bugs, leaves, or road grime, your AC cannot cool. Gently rinse it from the back with a garden hose, and you would be surprised how often that brings the cold back. Fix number 3, the fuse and the relay. Your AC compressor is powered through a fuse and a relay. If either one fails, take compressor never even turns on. Pull the AC fuse ad look for a broken metal strip. Swap the relay with an identical one and see if the AC kicks in. Fix number 4 is the most common real cause, low refrigerant. Over the years, refrigerant slowly leaks out, and once it drops too low, the system stops blowing cold. A recharge kit with a pressure gauge lets you top eye up yourself. Follow the gauge, do not overfill, and cold air usually returns within minutes. Fix number 5 is the one you want to catch early. The compressor, its clutch, or the little control valve inside it. With the engine running and the AC on max, look at heat compressor pulley. If the pulley turns but the setter never engages, the clutch or the control valve, your problem. And often it is just a cheap valve. It makes a loud grinding noise. That is a failing sand presser, and that is your signal to plan a real repair. So there it is. Cabin filter, condenser, fuse and relay, refrigerant, then the compressor. Work through them in that order, and most people never reach stage 5. I put the exact parts and the recharge kit I rust in the description below. If this saved you a SOP visit, do me one favor and subscribe. I post a knee money saving car fix every single week, and drop a comment with your car and your AC symptom, and I will tell you which fix to start with.